This 2021 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored VGT25 V73 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 6 inches in length and features air conditioning, water heater, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, TV antenna, awning, microwave, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Vengeance Rogue Armored VGT25 V73 is 6,498 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.